I've kind of tried all different kinds of threads myself, and I always find that the little bit extra that you pay in value is worth it for the comfort and the pleasure that you have of working with threads. I've found, and it
Yeah,
looks like you
I
might have had
had
the
this
same
experience
experience
with
too.
some not quality threads. The company contacted me and wanted to promote the threads. They sent me a pack of these threads. So I tried. And when I was using those threads, they always make fluffy, you know, and I like when the thread lies down and it's smooth. It gives me a smooth, shiny surface, but those threads are not, and it was complicated to stitch. I was constantly making unwanted knots, and it was even breaking often. And yeah, I was afraid maybe they can, after washing, they can leave marks or bleed, you know. Anyways, I didn't like them in my work. It was like so hard to stitch with. And maybe when people try to embroider for the first time, they don't want to spend a lot of money, you know, and they take those threads because they're available on our shops and they display it near the quality threads and people see the price and maybe, yeah, maybe that's one also good, but no. And it makes their experience bad, and they think that maybe embroidery is not my thing and they drop it and never come back to it again. So it's very dangerous and I never recommend using those threads, especially really when you first time trying it, and you need to experience the pleasure of stitching. You should enjoy it.